Hey guys, let's solve today's daily challenge. Today's question is supermarket available products. In a supermarket, there are X products that are listed on a board. Each product has a unique number. The boy wants to purchase Y products from the supermarket. The program must accept X integers representing the unique number of X products and Y integers representing the unique number of Y products as the input. The program must print the unique number of all the products that are available to the boy in the order of their occurrence, that is, the order mentioned on the board as the output. Note, at least one product is always available in the supermarket from the list of Y products. The boundary conditions are X must be greater than or equal to 1 and Y must be less than or equal to 100. There must be at least one product. Unique number of each product must be at least one. Okay. The input format is the first line contains X and Y separated by a space. The second line contains X integers separated by a space, and the third line contains Y integers separated by a space. Output format is that the first line contains the integers as per the given condition. Okay. Now let's see the input 1. Now 7 is X and 3 is Y. Here are the integers in the list X and the integers in the list Y. Now what we are going to do is we must check in the list X for the integers in the list Y. That is, we must check whether 3 is present in list Y, 4 is present in list Y. Like that, we must check for all the integers in X, and if it's present, we must print. Okay. Now we are checking for the integer 3 in list Y. 3 is not present, so we are not printing 3. We are checking for 4. 4 is not present in the list Y. We are not printing 4. Now we are checking for 6, which is present, so we are printing 6. Okay. Now we are checking for 2 in the list Y. Yes, it's present, so we are printing 2. Now we are checking for 7. 7 is not present in the list Y. So we are not printing 7. Okay. Then we are checking for 1, which is present. So we are printing 1. Then we are checking for 9, which is not present. So we are not printing 9. Okay. Now let's see for another input. Now here X is also 5 and Y is also 5. Here are the integers in the list X and the integers in the list Y. Now we must check whether 5 is present in the list Y. It's not present, so we are not printing 5. Okay, now we must check whether 4 is present. No, 4 is not present in list Y, so we are not printing 4. We must check whether 3 is present in the list Y. Yes, 3 is present, so we are printing 3. We are checking for 7. Yes, 7 is present, so we are printing 7. 10 is also present, so we are printing 10. Okay, I hope we are clear with the concept. Let's solve the problem in Python programming language. The first 3 lines are the input as per the input format. I'm getting 2 integers a and b. Then I'm getting 2 lists, that is X and Y. X has a number of integers and Y has b number of integers. Now I'm checking in the list X for the integers in list Y. That is, as I explained before, let's see the input 1. I'll check whether 3 is in list Y. If yes, I'll print. If no, I'll not print, like that. For I in X, if I in Y, that is for I in X, the I will be 3 in the case 1, and if I in Y, if 3 is in Y, I'll print 3. Okay, now I'll check for 4, 6, like that. Now for I in x, if I in y, that is if 6 in y, 6 is in y, so I'll print 6. Like that I'll print 6, 2 and 1. Thank you.